Avalanche. In this module, you will learn about occurrences of avalanches, effects of avalanches, and measures to decrease the destructive effects of avalanches. An avalanche is a rapid flow of a large mass of snow, along with associated debris, moving down a sloping surface. Avalanches generally occur in the higher latitudes and at high altitudes. Avalanches occur on mountains having extreme snowfall and buildup. Natural as well as man-made factors cause avalanches. Natural factors include earthquakes, warm temperatures, extreme precipitation, and wind-blown snow. Man-made disturbances include loud noises, heavy movement of skiers, and the use of explosives. A snow avalanche can cause damage to life and property. It can destroy vegetation and wildlife as it causes flash floods. It restricts the normal movement of traffic as it causes blockages of roads. It is difficult to bring an avalanche to a halt, but a few measures that can reduce its destructive effect. In avalanche-prone areas, roads and railways should be avoided. People living on snow-capped hills and slopes should preserve and protect the forest trees in these areas. People should not use explosives. Artificial barriers such as snow rakes, snow bridges, and snow nets reduce the damage of snow landslides. Artificial triggering of avalanches provides an effective way of reducing the damage to public property in these areas. Let us now recap all the important points that we have covered in this module on avalanche.